So today in this class, have a topic, the mathematical calculation. How can calculate the mathematical operation and a method and a formula in the Excel? So before the knowing, first know why need the mathematical calculation, because in the Excel have a lot of formula, different category. So why is the mathematical calculation? Sometimes we have need to for some calculation but not have a formula. Just like I have buy the product in 500 and sell the product in 550. I want to know the profit percentage. So in the Excel, no have any formula about the profit percentage. But if you know about the mathematics, so you can easily solve this question through the mathematics. So with mathematics, say is cell minus by, cell minus by, divide by. If you use this formula, you can got the your percentage. Okay, then this is the mathematical formula. So I want to use this mathematical formula on the cell, calculating the profit percentage. So we have give the equal and open the bracket and cell minus by 550 minus 500, close the bracket and divide by 500, it means by. When the press the enter, when the press the enter, you got the result in the decimal. So you have go to the home and apply the percentage symbol. It means change the general to percentage format. You got the result. Okay. So 9% is the profit percentage. So you have calculate any mathematical equation in the Excel. So before the going further, we have discussed why use the bracket. Just like we have write the one equation 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Many people say is a result is 2, but not result 2, because Excel follow the BODMAS rules. If you read in the fifth class, so this is the BODMAS method. So first divide and then plus. Yeah. But I have need the first plus and second divide. So that time we have used the brackets. Okay. So in the if you use the mathematical equation, you have follow the BODMAS rules. In the Excel, have a fifth mathematical operator. This is the plus, this is the minus, the multiply and divide, and also the power. Power, it means I want to calculate the 10 square. So 10 and give the power of 2. So how can type this symbol? If you use the shift 6, yeah, shift 6, then you can type this symbol. Okay. Okay. So this is the mathematical shift 6 after the percentage symbol in the keyboard. Yeah, I see that. Yeah. This is the So when you mathematical. Percentage 9% once. Okay. I just want to see the formula. B3 minus A3 by A3. So I'm also doing the other one. Yeah, this is the profit percentage. Profit percentage say the divided by and you just hit enter, right? So yeah, you also enter the brackets only. Yeah, no. You have give the bracket before. You have give the minus in the brackets. Okay, we need the brackets. Okay, bracket. I miss the brackets. Okay, we good. Yeah, we're good. Good. So this is the equation. So now I want to do the some complicated formula. So I have the principal, rate of interest, and time period. I want to calculate the amount with interest. So for this calculating this function, we have also the formula FV. But I don't want to use the FV because for the calculating the interest, we have the another type of the formula. So my formula has some changing, and so I don't want to use the X inbuilt formula FV. So I have the mathematical equation. I want to solve with the mathematical equation. So what is the mathematical equation for the amount calculated? So in the mathematical calculations, the amount, it means A equal to principal, it means P multiply by, in the bracket, 1 plus R means rate divided by N. Because my calculation the monthly, so N is 12. I will mention here N is 12. If you calculation the quarterly, it will change the period according to your period. So power of T multiplied by N. This is the mathematical equation. I want to solve this mathematical equation in the Excel cell. So you can see your mathematical calculation is very big. Okay, if you want to try in the once, maybe getting the error. So P is principal, R is rate of interest, and T is what? Is the time, 3 year. Time. Okay. N is the period. N is the period. So we have defined the N equal to 12. It's like I want to calculate the monthly. So in the year have a 12 months. So we have N equal to 12. Yeah. So basically, they are getting the amount, how much you are getting for the 5% for the 50,000 in 3 years. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Oh, okay, okay. So I want to, but yes. I want to this mathematical equation in the Excel sheet. Just I want to this mathematical equation in the Excel sheet. So sometimes you got the mathematical equation. So no need to understand the mathematics because we are not the mathematician, but I have, by my boss is sent the mathematical equation. You have solved this equation in the Excel. Yeah, yeah, boss says please calculate the cap rate. Yeah, any type of the commissions on this mathematical equation. So that time we have applied the mathematical equation in the Excel. How can apply? Because this is a big equation. So we have breakdown. We have do the calculation one by one. Okay. So I have calculate the first in the bracket section. So 1 plus R divided by N. Remember, you have do the any calculation with brackets. So R is the 5% and divide by 12 because N is the 12. So we have done the calculation. 1 plus R divided by N. So divide is the different calculation. So we give the in the brackets. Okay. Press that. Now we have calculate T multiplied by N. So equal time multiplied by 12. Now we want to power of both. Okay, power of both. Mhm. So we have equal, select this and give the power symbol and select the 36. Press the enter, you got the result. Now we have finally multiplied by P. So equal the 50,000 multiplied by this. So we got the final result, the 58,073 rupees and 61 paise. Yeah, $58,073 and 61 cent. Anything? Yeah. But problem that I don't want to use the multiple row, multiple cell for the calculation. I want to all calculation in the one cell. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So how can do it? So now we have introduced the new method. This method event by me. We have starting this method at 2004. Okay. So this is the formula merging method. So we have calculate the split the formula and calculate the one by one, and then after that we have merged. So we have double click here, and now we have click select and press the control C. It means copy the formula after the equal. Do not select the equal. Okay. Okay. Now, now we have just escaped and out of the formula. And I have copied the formula, the range D8. So go to the here and there is a D8. So delete the D8, give the bracket. In the between of bracket, we give the paste the my formula. So you can see my formula link will be free. So now we have delete this formula. Second thing, again, same repeat. We have double click and select the formula after the equal, copy the formula, and now press the escape button out of the formula, and we have copied the formula E8. So here is the E8. So delete the E8, give the bracket, paste the formula, close the bracket, and press the enter. So now we have also delete this. Again, we have select here, copy, and go to the F8. We have copy the formula from the F8. So first, do not copy the equal sign, and after the copy, you have just press the escape, and you have paste the formula in the bracket every time in the bracket. Now we have merged all formula in the one form. Now I want to move this here. So do not copy the cell, because if you copy, your cell address will be increased. So that time we have cut and paste, Control X and Control V. Okay? Okay. So no any formula changes. You can see here, your formula will be here. Okay, yeah. Some people say this is a small calculation. Why use this type of the copy paste system? Okay, so now we have enriched another calculation. We have the lot of formula. I want to make this type of the big formula. Oh my God. But how can we? Okay, first understand what is the calculation. So I have the cost, manufacturing cost. I want to calculate the MRP. So no have any MRP mathematical equation and also Excel formula. I have the some calculation step by step. Just like manufacturer say, I want to 5% of the my cost. So manufacturer calculate the 5% of the his cost and add the his cost and sell to the distributor. So manufacturer sell to distributor to 50 rupees and 5 paisa, 50 paisa. Then distributor say, I don't know about how many cost of the product because this is a matter of the manufacturer. I just add my 10% of the cost. So I have purchased the product of 52 rupees and 50 paisa. Then I have to make the 10 calculate the 10% and add the 10% of the my cost, my purchasing cost, and sell to the wholesaler. Or wholesaler same say I want to 10% 15% of the my purchasing cost, and we have added and sell to the retailer. Retailer say, yeah, I'm a retailer, so I want more. It means 20%, and we have add the product and sell to the consumer. So this is the 50 rupees the manufacturing cost. So price is the MRP is the 79 rupees. And this 79 rupees we have used the total 8th row. But I want to all formula merge in the one cell here. So we have used also this formula merging method. Okay. So we have double click here and select the formula and copy the formula and press the escape out of the formula and go to here, and we have copied from C13. C13. Okay. So we have leave the C13 and open the bracket, paste the formula and close the bracket. Now press the enter. Remember, two things you remember. First, two and three things. First, you do not copy the equal. Second thing, you have select the formula after the equal and copy the formula. And after the copy, you have not click anywhere. Just press the escape. If you click anywhere, your formula will be changed. Okay. So you just press the escape out for the out of the formula. And after the paste, you have checked your cell address where is the copy. So we have copied for C14. So go to here and C14 and in the bracket, delete the C14. In the bracket, we have paste the formula of the C14. Here also, C14, we have removed this formula and paste the C14. Okay. We have, okay, okay. Once again, C14, we have delete the formula of C14 and press the C14. Now you have delete the C14 and check the, if your result will be changed, it means anywhere you have do the mistake. So start from Control Z and start from again. So we have deleted, no any changes, it means my formula is correct. Now we have copy and we have paste here the D13, open the bracket, paste the D13 and paste the enter. Now we have delete. Select here, copy, paste the escape, and now we have D14, open the bracket, D14 and paste here. Open the bracket, paste. Okay. We have deleted. Now we have copied the E13. So select the formula and go to the E13. To the bracket, paste the formula, close the bracket and delete it. You can see your formula make the bigger. C14, E14, sorry. Now the last one we have copied. This is the way of the writing the multiple and complicated formula. You have in future we have discussed also the Excel inbuilt formula, just like nested if, just like nested VLOOKUPs. So that time you can also use this method. Okay, and this I have give the classes for the two benefits. First, you know about the how can enter the mathematical equation in the Excel, and second thing, how can write the multiple complicated formula in the one cell. Okay, so nobody try to write this formula and without error you can make the formula. Nobody. But if you use my method, you can write the formula with no any errors. 100% equation. Yep, sure. Okay. So now, time to practice. How can do the practice? So I have shared some mathematical formula in the practice to see. Okay. So this is the equation. This is the cubic and the figure. And in the figure, BLH, B for base, L for length, H for height. Okay. So first you have assume here BLH, any number. Just like I have assumed the 5 of the B base, 20 of the length, or H height of the 10. So now I want to calculate the volume. So in the volume formula, have a LBH. LBH. It means L multiplied by B multiplied by H. It is simple. So go to the 5 multiply, 20 multiply, and 10 multiply. Press the enter, got the result. Second, the surface area. Cubic curved surface area. The curved surface area is the 2 multiplied by H plus LBH. So we have in the bracket 2 and multiply by height H and again give the multiply and in the bracket we have give the L plus H, L plus H, L plus B, sorry. Okay, press the enter, got the result. Second is the 2 multiply by, yeah, total surface area, right? So 2 multiply by L multiply B plus B multiply H plus H multiply L, right? So you know this is the complicated. So you have used the this method formula merging. So first we have right here. First we have multiply by LB, L multiply by B. Second, B multiply by H, B multiply by H. Third, HL, H multiply by F. Okay. Okay. Now we have add the together, and after that we have multiply by 2. We got the final result, but I want to this result in the one cell. Okay, so you have click here. This is the cell link, and when you click the both of the link, so we have go to the D8 and copy the D8 formula and paste here on the D8 in the bracket. Okay. So you're just comparing all the formulas into one cell so that it won't escape and then get the entire result, right? Yeah, right. And this is the very useful in the future classes when you apply the Excel formula, just like VLOOKUP, if, sum, if, like that. At that time you have okay, Okay. okay, and say thanks me, because this is the for this people have the creating the 4 line, 10 line, 20 line of the formula and without any errors. Okay. So we have got the mistake here because my value is the change. So go to the F8, copy the F8, and here F8 in the bracket paste the F8 and press the enter. So value is not changed. That is good. So we have deleted. Now that is a copy and paste. So G8. So now you have beginner in the Excel and not have that much of practice of the Excel. That time we have used this, but after some time you have the practice Excel and also good on the Excel. Then you can make this type of calculation the without any formula merging method. So just like we have multiply by 2 in the bracket, again bracket, then L or B, then we have multiply by L multiply by B, close the bracket, give the plus symbol, and second BL, give the again multiply B or H. So we have select the B plus by multiply, not multiply by H, then plus again bracket H multiply by L, H multiply by L, and close the bracket and close the bracket and press the L. Okay. So if you have the practice, you have apply the calculation any formula directly. And if you have beginner and not have much of practice and you have some confusion in the formula, so you can use it this method. Okay, formula merging method. So we give the lot of example here, and this is the pi. Do you know what is the pi? How to write the pi in the Excel? Yeah. So first we have give the pi value. So 22 by 7 is the pi value. You can also use the 22 by 7. Okay. You can also we have the also you want to exact the pi value. So that time we have the formula of pi. So when you apply the formula of pi, so you got the exact value. Okay. Okay, so you have try on rest of the calculations. And we have also give the one practice sheet, but this calculation that was some complicated, and this calculation for the who person have been good on the mathematics. So okay. Okay. But if you have yeah, if you have if you have the good on the mathematics, then do this equation. You have average of the mathematics, then use this of equation. Practice. Okay. 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 Complete. So you have any questions? Any problem?
Not as of now.
Okay.
Not as of now, but in my work, so I have a few questions and also the
Yeah,
application that
tell me what are your
we
questions?
have.
You can
So,
ask the question, topic
can
finish.
you share my screen?
Once again, once.